Welcome to Course 2, Session 9. In this session, we will be completing our peer review. Before we begin that process, let's review some important information. In Session 8, you completed your Trends in Online Learning Action Research. In Session 7, you completed an online trends discussion using Flip. If you have any questions or need any clarification on anything, please reach out to your instructor. We'll also preview Course 3. The dates are shown for the current cohort. You will check the Prezi or presentation in your folder for your dates. Notice that the dates are listed. The first meeting is a required whole group virtual session. We will only meet 3 times in Course 3. The first meeting will be to go over all of the course expectations, the rubrics, coaching support. The second meeting will be at our midpoint in Session 5. We will be going through a peer review process, and you will need to make sure that you are online for that as well. And then the last session we'll meet together. We will celebrate completion of the online teaching endorsement, and we'll also walk you through the process for adding the endorsement to your certificate. We'll also be reviewing online teaching lesson design, how to implement, and evaluation. It is rubric driven, and it does support our standards that we have been learning about in all of the previous sessions. In this course, we've explored 4 effective attributes of online teaching. We've looked at communication and how it is different in an online learning environment. We've talked about student engagement and feedback and what we need to do differently to engage our students and provide effective feedback. We also looked at effective collaboration. We looked at a variety of tools. How can we get students collaborating? We looked at trends in online learning, such as blended learning and AI, and how those things are impacting how we teach and learn online, while maintaining our focus on the standards that we've addressed since the beginning of the program. This evening, we're going to talk about the Harmony Tuning Protocol. Be sure that you read the article in Blackboard Session 9, jot down the key points of the protocol, and elect a spokesperson from your group to share out key points. If you were not in class, please email your key points to your instructor to ensure that you have a firm understanding of the Harmony Tuning Protocol. Your assignment for this class is to select a project or assignment that you've completed in this endorsement so far that you want to share in your group. I will assign you to a group and show you how to access your group room so that you can complete this project on your own since you were not able to attend class. Some of the things you might want to think about sharing: your course commercial, your PowerPoint you created on the communication tools that you can use with your online classes, your empowering lesson plan, your effective feedback assignment, your action research on using a collaborative tool, or your research research project. Go through the Harmony Tuning Protocol as you learned about with your group members and your selected assignment, and take notes of the feedback that you received, because you're going to post that in the discussion for Session 9. So it's very important that you read through, list the key points of that protocol, email them to your instructor if you were absent from class on Session 9, and then schedule a time with your group to complete the Harmony Tuning Protocol peer review. Use this protocol to complete your in-class assignment, and then before Session 10 next week, make sure you complete the Session 9 peer review discussion forum using the information that you gathered with your partner. So now let's talk about, how do you get into your room? You will be set up as a moderator in your room. So when you enter your room, and actually I'm in course settings, so I'm going to go to synchronous session links. You'll notice that I have group numbers set up. For my students who need to take this, or my candidates who need to complete this, you're going to be using group 8. You will go into your group, go into your room. You're just going to join the session. So again, let me close this out to show you how easy it is to get into your session. Click on group 8, join your session. When you go in, you will automatically be set up as a moderator. The first thing that you want to do is start the recording. You'll notice a little icon will pop up here and ask if you want to start the recording. You just hit record. If you accidentally close that out, go to the hamburger icon in the top left-hand side, drop down, pick start recording, and you're going to record your session. To share your presentation or document or video that you want to share out, there are 2 different ways that you can do this. First off, go to the share content. You can actually go into share files, and then you can drag and drop what it is you want to share, or you can click add files and it will bring up a window for you to browse. But you can drag and drop a file into here to share and then click share now. You can also share out your entire application or screen if you want to pull up something. So I would just, if I want to share a specific tab, I could just pick a tab to share. I could pick a window to share that I have open, or your entire screen. I have 2 monitors, so I could share screen 1 or screen 2. You click on it and then share, and the entire thing will show up in your sharing window. See how mine is gonna, I'm sharing my entire screen here. So if I move around to my Prezi, back to Collaborate, back to my content page, you'll see everything that is shared here. If you have any questions, please contact me and I'll be happy to help you with this.